boys and girls, today we're going to make a parts of a plant flip book. Now here's the materials you're going to need. You're going to need your packet with your number on it, one piece of green construction paper, a pair of scissors, crayons, and a glue stick. If you don't have those already, go ahead and pause the video and go and get those. Alright, welcome back. Now that you have all the materials, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to take your green sheet of construction paper or whatever color your teacher gave you and fold it in half long ways so that it will look like this and set it to the side. Then I want you to separate your paper and color your flower in, and then cut out on the dotted lines all of the pieces. Now you're not going to cut the flower on the dotted lines yet. You want to leave that whole, but you want to cut all your pieces out. Now I went ahead and cut my pieces out. I've colored my flower and I have all my pieces cut out. So this is how your pieces should be. Okay, if you're, go ahead and pause the video until you get all of this done up to this point. Okay, welcome back. I'm really proud of you. You've done a really good job. So now we're going to make our actual flip book. You're going to need your glue stick now, and you're going to open it up, and you have your flower. You're going to turn it over and put glue on the back. You don't want to use too much. A dot here and there will do. So you don't have to cover the whole back of it, but do lots of good dots so it stays on your construction paper. Okay, that should work. Now I want it to open up like this, so I'm going to put my flower right in the center. Now this is where it gets tricky, so you need to be a really good listener. You want to open up your book, and you're going to cut on the dotted lines all the way up to the crease. So let's do that right now. And I stop right there. I go to the next dotted line. You are breaking your flower up into parts so we can label them and make our flip book. There we go. So yours should look like this, and then you can open it up to put the labels where they go. Now I'm going to look at my words. If you look at the description, there's a QR code that you can scan, and it will help you to read what the description is of that part of the plant. I'm going to start with these words over here. It says stem, stem. So I'm going to find which part is the stem. This is the stem part. It's only the stem. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to glue the word stem right here. Now I'm going to put the glue on the back of the word stem, and I'm going to glue it right here. Now I want to find the description that goes with that, because that's going to go right over here. So I'm going to look. This part makes the seeds for the plant. No. This part supports the plant and carries food and water. Yes. The stem supports the plant, helps it to stand upright, and it takes food and water up to the different parts of the plant. So this would be the descriptor, and I can glue it right here on the back of the flip. If I need a little more glue, I can add it. You can do that too. And then I close that up because I have the stem part. Now I still need to do the other parts of the flower. Let's look at the other words. We have roots, leaves, and flower. I want you to finish the rest of the labeling on your own, and remember, for the descriptors, use your QR scanner to scan so you can hear the sentence. Have fun, and I can't wait to see all of your plant part flip books.